In 9th standard you have studied the number system. This chapter is actually the continuation. It is the continuation of the chapter number system. So this chapter is basically about prime number and non-prime numbers. Okay, so let me begin without any introduction. Let me start the chapter. Let me explain prime numbers. Do you know what you mean by prime number? Anybody? Please tell me what do you mean by prime number. Prime number means it is a number which has only factors the same number and one only. For example, I will give you one example. For example, 7. 7 is a prime number. Why 7 is said to be the prime number? 7 is a prime number because 7 is divisible by 1 and 7 is divisible by 7. No other number possible. So a number is said to be prime number which has only two factors. A number is said to be prime number which is having only exactly two factors, 1 and the same number. No other number. We understood. 7 is divisible by only 1 or 7. No other number possible. Another one is 11. 11 has only two factors. 11 is divisible by 1, so 1 is a factor. 11 is divisible by 11 itself, so 11 is a factor. So 11 has exactly two prime number. What are they? 1 and the same number. This type of number, the number having exactly two factor, 1 and the same number, they are said to be prime numbers. So the example for prime numbers are 2 is a prime number. 1 is not considered as prime number. The prime number starting with a 2. 3 is a prime number. 5, 7, 11, 13, 14, 17, etc. These are the prime numbers. Okay, I hope you have understood. Prime number is clear. The definition is not required. You studied in the lower classes. All of you clear? Prime number is okay, isn't it? Clear? Let us look at this question. Express each number as the product of prime factors. The first one is 140. 140 to be expressed as the product of prime factors. 140 is a composite number. So like previous question, 140 to be divided by the prime numbers like 2, 3, 5, etc. 140 is divided by 2, you will get 70. 35 is divided by 5, you will get 7. I cannot proceed further. The last number is prime, so I have to stop there. The last number is 7 prime. No more division possible. Stop there. So 140 is equal to 2 into 2, 2 square, right? 2 into 2, 2 square into 5 into 7. 5 into 7. This is the answer. So every composite number must be expressed as the product of, every composite number can be expressed as a product of prime number. Okay?
Yes, sir.
156. 156 to be divided by which number? 156 is divided by 2. Is it correct? 2 is a prime number. 7, 14. If you are not comfortable with the, if you are unable to write here, you may do some rough calculation somewhere. 156 by 2. Okay. I think you are familiar with the division. Is it okay? You may write some rough calculation somewhere, but I don't want to show the rough calculation here. 156 divided by 2, you will get 78. You have to divide only by a prime number, 2. 78 by 2 will be what? 78 by 2 will be 39. Is that okay? If you have any confusion, you may divide somewhere. 2, 3, 6, 8, 18, 9. Correct. 39 is divisible by 3. Divide only by prime number. 39 by 3 will be 13. 13 is a prime number. No more division possible. The last number is prime. If the last number is prime, stop there. No more division possible. So 156 is written as 2 into 2, 2 square. 2 into 2, 2 square into 3 into 30. This is the answer. So the rough calculation I don't want to show. So the next one. All of you please send me the correct answer, okay? Question number 5. Send me the correct answer. Question number 5. Write the answer key on your notebook and open the link. Submit it. 5. I will wait for 30 seconds. Okay. So coming back to this question, Benedict, Nitika, your question number is wrong. You have written that it's question number 7. Which
Sir, it's question number 5. By mistake, it's written question number 7.
It is question number 5 actually. Okay. Look at that. Question number 5. The next is question number. The next one is 3825. 3825 to be expressed as the product of prime numbers. Okay, all of you listening? Okay, understood? All of you listening? Never leave the class. Okay, never leave the class. There will be exams. After 2 weeks, after some 14 days, there will be exam. So 3825 to be expressed as the product of prime number. 3825 to be divided by 5. I prefer 5. Maybe 3 possible. Maybe 3 possible. But I prefer 5. This is due to, because of if the last digit is 5, then the number is divisible by 5. There is no doubt in that. If the last digit is 5, it is divisible by 5. So let me divide by 5 without any doubt. Maybe 3 may be possible. Okay, but let me take 5. Okay, whichever number you write here, final answer will be same. Okay, final answer will be same. Okay, let me divide by 5. 3825 divided by 5. You may do some rough calculation somewhere, but I will delete it. Okay, if you are not able to write the number here, okay, you may do the rough calculation somewhere. Okay, no problem. 3825 divided by 5, 7. 35, 3, 2, 6. I will delete it. Okay, 30, 765. So 3825 divided by 5, you will get 765. Again, it is ending in 5. Any number ending in 5 divisible by 5. 5 is a prime number. Understood? 5 is a prime number. So 765 divided by 5. 1, 5, 26, 5, 25, 1, 5. 3, 15. 153 divisible by which number? Let us try 3. Let us try 3. 5, 15, 3, 1. divide, I will delete these rough calculations, okay. 51 is divided by 3, 1, you may do the rough calculation. 17, yes, 17 is a prime number, understood. 17 has only two factors, 1 and 17 only, so no more division. So after that you have to express as a product of prime number. We prefer the prime number in the increasing order. We prefer the numbers in the prime numbers in the increasing order. From the earlier example you might have noticed that 2, 5, 7, is it increasing order? Yes. We prefer that, but it is not compulsory. It is not compulsory that the number to be in the increasing order, but we prefer that. So we prefer that. So here you can see 3 into 3, which is smaller one, right, compared to 5. 3 into 3 is there, which is 3 square. Then 5 into 5 is there, which is 5 square. And 17 is there. As I told you, they are in the increasing order. These highlighted ones must be the prime number. The power can be anything, no problem that. So I hope you have understood. All of you clear? Aditya,
Yes.
Saumijit, Lina, understood? Lina,
Yes, sir.
okay,
Yes, sir.
clear. So while I am writing, you can copy everything on your notebook. If you are not getting time, don't worry. I told you that I will send the PDF after the class. I will wait for 30 seconds, okay. Question number 6 answer key, you please note it, write somewhere and open the link and send to me. 6, don't.
Sir,
Yes, tell me.
sir, option number 6 is not there in your response.
6 is the 10 or sorry. Question number up to 10 is there, right? Question number up to 10 is there. Option number A, B, C, D. Understood? Question number up to 10 is there. Options A, B, C, D. Don't write the number. Option. You are not able to write the number there. A, B, C, D. Next time onwards, you will be faster. Okay, next time onwards. This is the first time. So, if you don't have the key, you please send me the answer through WhatsApp. Okay. If you don't have the, what is that, link. So you have got sufficient time to note the key. 6, okay, question number 6. Okay, coming back to this question, let me duplicate the slide. Then next I am going to discuss question number 4. 3, up to 3 you are okay, clear. Then question number 4 I am going to discuss. 5005. 5005. So first of all, what is to be done? 5005 to be divided by 5. Why divided by 5? Because it is ending in 5. It is ending in 5. Any number ending in 5 is divisible by 5. So you have to do the division, do the rough calculation somewhere. This question is a little bit harder. 51500. Oh, it's not tough. I mean, first part is okay. So no, the rough calculation is not at all required, right? 1001. 5005 divided by 5, you will get 1001. Can you suggest anybody? 1001 is divisible by which number? Tell me. 1001 is divisible by which number? Anybody? Aditya, can you tell me the answer? Aditya, 1001 is divisible by which number?
Sir, may I tell? 7.
7. Okay. Clearly 2 is not possible. If you try 3, 3 is not possible. You may check it. You may check it. You may check it. 3 is not possible. 2 is clearly 2 is not possible because it is not ending in even digit. 3 I checked it. No, 3 is not possible. 5 is not possible because it is not ending in 5. 7. So we can try 7. So let me divide by 7. 7 is a prime number, right? 1001 is divided by 7. 1, 7, 0, 4, 28, 2, 1, 3. Yes, correct. If you have any doubt, please send me WhatsApp message. Definitely I will check your message and I will clarify your doubt. Okay? But in class, I may not be able to check the WhatsApp right now, but definitely after the class I will check it and clarify your doubt. 143. 1001 by 7 will be 143. 143 divisible by which number? Anybody? Lina, Saumyajit, anybody? Can you suggest? Can you suggest?
11.
11. Ah, yes. You may check it. Before this step, I tried 3. So 3 is no more possible. Before 143, I tried 3. I tried 3. So 3 is not possible. Okay? 3. You will not be able to divide by 3. If you have any doubt, you may check it. 7. No, 143 by 7. You please check it. Not divisible. Then after 7, the next prime number is 11. Okay, if you divide by 7, it's not possible to divide. So I have to check the 11. 11 is the next prime number, right? 1, 11, 33, 3. Yes. 13. 13 is a prime number. 13 is a prime number. So the answer is 5 into 7 into 11 into 13. We prefer prime numbers in the increasing order. Okay. So it's a very simple thing, right? Expressing the composite number as the product of prime number, isn't it? Is that okay? Clear? All of you are okay? Understood?
Yes, sir.
So this fifth one is I think little bit time consuming, but you can try. You take efforts. The only thing is you must be familiar with the prime number. After 11, what will be the next prime number? 13. After 13, what is the next? 17. So you try only by prime number. You please try it as homework. You please send me the homework through WhatsApp message. Write the solution on your notebook. Send to me. Take the photo and send to me through WhatsApp. I will check your solution. Okay. So I think you have understood the method. Method you have understood. Try this 7th question. I will wait for 30 seconds. You write the answer on your notebook. 7. If the answer is A, 7A. Then open the link and submit it. Don't send the earlier question, okay? I have a date, a time, okay? I will check the time. 7th question. I wait for 30 seconds. Lina, your answer is correct. Nitika, Sherwin, your answer is correct. Benedict, your 5th question answer is wrong. Okay. Lina, your 4th question answer is correct. Everything, complete information I have. Okay. Everything is completely automatic. Okay. Only thing is I have to wait for 30 seconds. Okay, that's all. So let me go to the next. So the prime factorization is clear. I hope you have understood with the. You are familiar with the prime factorization. That fifth one, 7429. You please try. If you are not getting, don't worry. I will explain that. The finding the prime factor will be a little bit harder, but you will definitely get the answer. So let me go to the next topic. Never leave the class. The class time is 1 hour. Never leave the class. So the next I'm going to discuss LCM and HCF. Okay, LCM and HCF. This is what I'm going to discuss next. So what do you mean by LCM? LCM, the prime factorization, you are familiar. It is not stopped.
Lowest common multiple.
Yes. Now I am going to discuss LCM and HCF. Okay. The prime factorization is very important for finding LCM and HCF. Okay. So LCM full form is least common. Let me write the full form. Least common multiple. Multiplier or multiple. Least common multiple. Let me explain LCM. After that, I will explain HCF. Okay. LCM of, let me explain with the examples. LCM, let me use notations. LCM of 3 and 2. You studied in the lower classes, right? LCM. Anybody, can you tell me what is LCM of 3 and 2? Tell me.
6.
Yes, 6. LCM means common multiple of 3 and 2. Least, it must be least. Remember, common multiple of 3 and 2. What about 6? 6 is a multiple of 3. Do you agree with me? 6 is a multiple of 3. 6 also a multiple of 2. 6 also a multiple of 2. 3 and 2 have many multiples. 3 and 2 have many multiples like 12, 24. Plenty of multiples are there. 12 is a multiple of both 3 and 2. 24 is a multiple of both 3 and 2. Among these, the least one is which one? The least one is 6. So the least common multiple, that is LCM. Okay, clear? Aditya, have you understood? Aditya, clear? Okay, listen, please listen properly in the class. Then okay, then next LCM of 6 and 8. Fatima, you please tell me, do you know what is LCM of 6 and 8? LCM of 6 and 8. If you do,
4.
yes. There is a technique using prime factorization. Since these numbers are very smaller, let me explain. Let me explain without prime factorization. LCM, common multiple of 6 and 8. Think about the multiples of 6. You think about the multiple of 6. 6 is a multiple of 6. 12 is a multiple of 6. 24 is a multiple of 6, etc., etc. But I want a number. I want those multiple which is multiple of 8 also. 6 is multiple of 6 but not multiple of 8. It is rejected. 12 is a multiple of 6 but not multiple of 8. Rejected. 24 is a multiple of 6. It is also multiple of 8. So this one is the smallest multiple of these two, right? So this is one of the technique. What the direct method is prime factorization. Definitely I will discuss that. So the LCM of 6 and 8 is 24. Okay, clear? I hope you have understood. LCM is clear. I think you understood that. You studied in the lower classes, right? So I hope you have understood. Question number 8. I will give you 10 seconds time. Please note answers, write answer somewhere. Go to the link and submit it. You have to go to your WhatsApp message. In your WhatsApp message there is a link. Okay, just click it. Only 2 entries to be filled. Question number, answer key. I don't want answer from the other question. Okay, I want 8 right now. Okay. Nitika, very good. Your answer is correct. Saumyajit, yes, answer is correct. Fatima, yes, correct. Others, I think you might have noticed the answer. Send it. Okay. Lina, yes, very good. So, coming back to LCM. Now let me discuss HCF. HCF is the highest common factor. Others you have not sent me. Okay, you please send it. Question number 8, answer. Highest common factor. Highest common factor. Benedict, and answer is correct. Highest common factor, HCF. HCF of 6 and 8. Anybody, you please tell me. You study in the lower classes. That's why I'm asking you. HCF of 6 and 8. Anybody? Anybody? 6 and 8. 2. Sure? Are you sure? I will tell you. HCF is the factor. See, look here. I have two numbers 6 and 8. I have two numbers 6 and 8. Which is the common factor? Common factor means I want a number. Using that number, I can divide both 6 and 8. I want a number. Listen, let me repeat. I want a number. Using that number, I can divide both 6 and 8. The highest number I want. Highest number. You may be thinking about 1. I am talking about the highest number. 2, is it possible? 2, 6 by 2 is possible, divisible, right? 8 by 2, yes, it is divisible. 3, 4, 5, etc. not possible. 2 is the largest, highest number, highest factor for 6 and 8. So is that okay? HCF of 6 and 8 is 2. All of you clear? Aditya, Lina, Fatima, understood?
Yes,
HCF. Then if you have any doubt, whatever doubt you have, you please send me the WhatsApp. In the class, it is very difficult for me to check the WhatsApp. After the class, I will check the WhatsApp. So okay, let me explain another question. HCF of 3 and 9. Anybody, can you tell me what is HCF of 3 and 9?
3.
3. Lina, you told me the correct answer, right? Lina?
Yes.
Okay. HCF of 3 and 9. If you have any doubt, think like this. If you have any doubt, think like this. I have to divide these two numbers by something. The common number I require. I require the common number. The highest number will be 3. 3 is divisible by 3. 9 is also divisible by 3. So I hope you have understood. But finding LCM and HCF of the larger number will be very, very difficult. For example, LCM of something like 114 and 216 will be extremely hard. Understood? For the smaller number, okay, we can guess like this. But for the larger number, it is very difficult to find. So the prime factorization is required for finding LCM and HCF. Prime factorization is required. Today I will select a few simple questions. Today I will select a few simple questions. By the next class I will discuss more NCERT textbook questions. Okay, it's a very small chapter. Within 2 or 3 classes this will be over. This chapter will be over. Okay, very small chapter. After completing this chapter, I will spend one session for discussing previous year's question. Okay, this 8th one finished, right? Then 9th one, you please, I will wait for 30 seconds. You please note the solution and submit it. 9, if the answer is A, 9A, I mean question number 9 to be selected as, question number to be selected as 9, the answer key, if it is A, answer key to be selected as A. A few seconds I will wait. Lina, Sunir, very good. Okay. Fatima. Yes. Benedict, correct. Okay. So other, what about the other? So let me go to my slide. You have noticed I have given you the sufficient time. These are not tough questions, not time consuming questions. This is just to ensure that you are listening my class. Okay. Saumijit, your answer is correct. So 9th one. Okay. Now coming back to LCM and HCF, let me discuss one simple question. Find LCM and HCF of 24 and 36. Let me discuss this question in the next class. By this class, this LCM HCF will not be over. I'm just explaining one simple question. Next class I will discuss plenty of problems from textbook. Okay, LCM and HCF of 24 and 36. Listen, in exam, if the question is like this, you must use prime factorization method. Okay, if you guess and write some number, you will not get full mark. If you guess it and write some number, you will not get full mark. For finding LCM and HCF, you have to use prime factorization method. I will explain the method. Its proof is not required. Okay, don't worry about the proof. You just understand the method. First step is 24 to be expressed as the product of prime number. Initially I have selected a very small number. 24 by 2 you will get 12. 12 is divided by 2, you will get 6. 6 is divided by 2, you will get 3. Is that correct? Write the prime numbers in the increasing order. 2 into 2 into 2 will be 2 cube. 3, okay, 3 raised to 1, okay, let it be like this. Or 3 itself, no problem. So 24 is 2 cube into 3. And now 36 divided by 2, you will get 18. Divided by 2, you will get 9. Divide by 3, you will get 3. Divide by, no more division, 3, okay. So what is that? 36 is equal to 2 square into 3 square. You have to write in this way that the same base must be, vertical number must be same. Vertical number will be having the same base. The vertical means, look at this number. Below 2 cube I have written 2 square. Below 2 cube I have written 2 square. Vertically, if you check the number vertically, the number must have the same base. And what about the other one? Yes, the base I have written, if you look at this number vertically, both of them having the same base. Next class I will discuss more problem, don't worry about that. So the vertically, if you check the numbers vertically, the base will be matching. Power may be whatever may be the power, I don't need that. Base 2 is matching, base 3 is matching. You have to write in this way, so that you can write the LCM and LCF in the next step. LCM is equal to, look at this 2 cube and 2 square, which one is the greatest one? To write LCM, you have to select the greatest number. Vertical number. Look at the vertically aligned numbers. Select the greatest number. 2 cube and 2 square, which one is greatest one? 2 cube is greatest one. 3 raised to 1 and 3 square, which one is greatest one? Which one is greatest one? 3 square is greatest one. So you just select the greatest one. Understood? Vertically the number, the base must be matching. It's very, very important. Vertically the base must be matching, and after that select the greatest number among this. Okay, so 8 into 9, 72. 72 is the LCM. I will explain plenty of problem in the next class. So in today's class I have selected a very simple question. Then HCF, highest common factor. For writing highest common factor, select the smallest one, smallest number. 2 cube and 2 square, which is smallest one? 2 cube, 2 square, the 2 square is the smallest one. 3 raised to 1 and 3 square, which one is smallest one? 3 raised to 1.
3 to power
12 is the HCF. You can check it. So this is the way, but remember, when you do the prime factorization, the vertical number must be matching. It's very, very important. If they are after division, if they are not matching, we make some rearrangement. I will discuss in the next class. Ensure that the vertical numbers are matching. Okay, so pick up the greatest one, you will get LCM. Pick up the smallest one, you will get HCF. That's all. So the method is clear to you. Okay, understood? Is that okay? LCM, HCF is okay. So let me write a note, otherwise you will forget. For LCM, I don't want to write the larger long sentence. For LCM, select greatest. Select greatest. Okay, that's all. Okay, I hope you understood. For HCF, select smallest. The long sentence is not required. Okay, in exam they will not ask questions based on theory. Okay, theory they will not ask, they will give you only problems. So I hope you have understood. Clear? All of you clear? Fatima, Lina, Maya, all of you clear?
Yes, sir.
So today let me wind up. But by next class or maximum 3 class, this chapter will be over. Okay, so let me wind up the session. Okay, bye.
Thank you, sir.
Okay then. So 140 by 2 will be 70. Again divide by 2, you will get 35. Shall I discuss that? 70 by 2, 35. It's a simple thing, right? 35 divided by 3.